energetic, R, respectful, I, intelligent, C, caring, A, animated.
Some have dubbed this 11-year-old the little girl with the big voice. And it was in St. Mary, at a function where the Prime Minister and other noted officials were in attendance, that we first discovered this budding star who blew away audiences with her superior vocal skills. This child prodigy is certainly on the rise.
I realized that I could sing very well when I was at the age of 9. I used to listen to my sister, and some of the times I was jealous and those things. So I just tried it. I used to watch some little Barbie shows until I started singing and I realized that I could sing. I used to practice with tracks and practice with other persons.
And like most great singers, she's had the perfect start, right in the church.
Then sings my soul, my Savior God.
I'm a Christian and I go to the Claremont SDA, and most of the times I sing down there.
How great thou art.
Erica's skill has also been honed at her school, Port Maria High and Preparatory, where Audrey Brown, her coach and principal, has been working assiduously with her. So too is her older sister Evie, another singing sensation.
Don't cry for me, Argentina.
To produce such high notes takes great skill, and for Erica, she takes her inspiration from the best.
I believe the children are our future. My inspiration is Whitney Houston. She has melody and she understands the song and she sings it with passion.
To make it easier.
And while Whitney has passed away, there's another rising global superstar from right here in Jamaica who she's hoping to meet one day.
I'd like to meet Tessantin.
Erica is on the way to one day getting her desired Grammy Award. But for now, she remains content with the countless medals and awards won locally. Most of them come from the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, JCDC's Music and Gospel Festival.
All these trophies and medals are for JCDC national competitions. This one is the overall award for most outstanding songs from the movie. And this one is the most outstanding Class 3 songs from movies. This one is a gold, this one is a silver, and this one is a silver. These medals are for singing.
In addition to those, Erica recently copped 12 medals at the JCDC Parish Championship, with a total of 9 gold medals and 3 silver. And just to show how in tune she is with her craft, take a look at what happened during the middle of this performance during the JCDC music competition.
The key is lower. The key is lower.
The error was fixed and Erica was back on key again.
Mountains and the crashing waves of the shore. Jamaica, and I love your voices speaking deep inside my heart. And my heart must answer.
For her, the future is bright.
Sail on, silver girl, sail on by.
When I'm older, I see myself as an international singer. And some of the places I would like to see myself is America, Europe, England, and Trinidad and Tobago.
They shine. What if you need a friend?
I would like to say to the children who are listening right now is that if they do not succeed on something that they wanted to do, they should try and try again. Never give up.
Oh, tell